Okay, I got the back here. I got it all framed up, and these walls, they're I call them suspension walls because I have a cross members put in there to hold the wall up because there's no foundation under this wall. They're only attached to the post and beam construction that I have here. These cross sections are easy to do. I run a chalk line here, made sure my wall was straight. Put these cross pieces. Yeah, the cross members are all cut at 45 degrees and they just fit in there perfectly. And that keeps that from sagging. Okay, now the frame up there around my post and beam construction, that's where my windows is going to be. My windows are 3 feet long, so I'll bolt them here and bolt them along there after I get the board and batten all put on. Okay, I'm going to check to make sure I'm running square. 261 and an 8. 261 and an 8. Oh, that has to be a fluke. I got to drill in here to make a little dent with these bolts, and I just put some lead on that, line up my board, and just make a little, there, both. Just got to go in like a quarter. There. Okay, I almost got my last window put in, and one thing you should do is I snap a chalk line along the bottom where I want my windows to be placed, and then I put this here guide, I nail that into place along my chalk line, and I just set my windows on that and screw them into place. Now these are 1.5 inch metal roofing screws. There, I just got to put my my batten on now. Here's 11 inch batten. Center it. Okay, I got these 2 walls done. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.